Alright, so welcome back to another video. It is Anise, the Real Boss Ladypreneur, coming at you, yes, with another Make Money Online video. Specifically today, we will be looking at how to make six figures every month. Yes, you heard it, how to make six figures every month. So let's get into it. Alright, so today we will be looking at how to make six figures every month with an awesome course created by Kevin Flatter, who has major authority in the affiliate marketing space. He has multiple six-figure and seven-figure businesses and has owned, operated and sold these types of businesses. So let's have a look at his awesome course, How to Make Six Figures Every Month. It is called 20K Extra. Let's get into it. Alright, so here we are in the course. The name of the course is 20K Extra and it is very, very thorough. There are not only videos so you can learn and watch all of the details, listen to Kevin, and also download the resources that he provides. So after each video, he provides a spreadsheet for this particular course, which takes us through how to plan and map out the income as well as the products. He also takes us through how to research for the products that you would like to sell, and it is affiliate marketing. So a lot of us have questions out there about affiliate marketing. I had a lot. I had tried it and now I'm actually doing it with the help of Kevin. I'm finding that actually it's a very logical process and a step-by-step course that he provides that I will be doing as you will be doing once you've learnt about this. So let's just play the video, have a little deep dive and listen into what Kevin has to offer as his introduction video.
Hi guys, Kevin Flatter here and welcome to the introduction video for the 20 case extra case study and training. So what I want to do in this video is I just want to give you a quick introduction to why I created the course and how anyone can use it regardless of what level you're at, and how you must come along and apply the training, how to get access to the templates and make them your own. So first off, why did I create this course? Well, every year in our business we analyze the things that have worked in our business and the things that we need to improve on. We've been doing this for years, as you will learn within the training. This year I wanted to create an extra $20,000 per month income stream. Basically our business always does for the past 12 months, you could say between $25,000 and $35,000 every single month. I want to get that to $50,000. Now, what I've noticed while I was spent endless nights, you could say 3 or 4 nights up till all hours of the morning, creating all these formulas and methods for that I could use in my own business to easily see where my business was.
So as you can hear, Kevin breaks down how he actually makes his six-figure income, and he also takes us through step by step. He is very transparent with the information, and the spreadsheets that he provides are awesome, so detailed and so logical. So let's check out one of those spreadsheets and see how they work. Alright, so here we are, we're in the page for Kevin Flatter's 20K Extra course, and as you can see, it is unique and never revealed before. It is an internet marketing system which added $20,000 per month to his bottom line with minimal amount of work and effort. This will work for you whether you're an accomplished marketer or a complete beginner. So let's have a listen to how he is going to help us.
$20,000 to my bottom line. and help you get the life-changing results faster than you ever thought possible. What I'm about to share is my internal system I've used to build multiple six-figure businesses from the ground up, and I'm going to reveal it to you in the next couple of minutes. Hey, Kevin Faddy here. I've been in the internet marketing space for over a decade, and I've built countless successful businesses and generated multiple seven figures online. And over the years, I've noticed that 90% of people trying to make money online, even though they've been through countless courses and trainings, they can't seem to find a way to build a stable and reliable business. In fact, most people just keep on chasing fancy methods, trying to make money online, but just end up falling flat on their face over and over again. And I thought to myself, how could I change that? How could I help people finally get their feet off the ground and help people build businesses that would give them not only a chance at financial freedom, but time freedom as well? That's when I decided to put together what I call the ultimate internet marketing system for starting and scaling an online business. This is my internal system that I've used over and over again to build multiple six-figure businesses from the ground up. In fact, I'll just let the results speak as they speak louder than words. Take a look at the results I've generated over the years with this system. $192,279.05 from one network. $170,626.92 in affiliate commission. $792,512.15 in revenue from another network.
So as you can see, Kevin Flatter has a lot of authority in this space. He clearly can back his words up with the results, and as it says, why do we need to grab the 20k extra right now? Well, he says it's a unique system to start and scale your business, 100% beginner friendly. So if you've never done this type of thing before, then we all can do it. Anyone can make this work. Takes no more than a couple of hours per day. Now that is beautiful. If you are a stay-at-home parent, or you're at university, or only have a few hours after work to do anything, then this would be the perfect way to make that extra cash that we all need. It is step-by-step training anyone can understand and follow for beginners and advanced marketers alike. No tech skills or experience needed. So I've already noticed myself how great the step-by-step training is and how Kevin breaks it down so that it's so applicable and so simple to follow. So let's go and check out the course and take a deep dive into the members area. So here we are in the 20k extra members area where Kevin has video trainings as well as the downloadable spreadsheets, and this comprises of 6 modules. So Kevin takes you through the intro, which we will take a quick look at, and then we will move on and have a look at the different modules so that you can get a brief overview of what you'll be getting and what the quality is within this amazing course. So as I mentioned, the beauty of this course is that Kevin makes it just so easy to follow, so logical and step by step. So let's have a quick watch of module 2, part 1, the 6 modules, and you'll just get a little bit of perspective on what this course is all about.
Hey guys, Kevin Faddy here. In this video, we're going to talk about the 6 modules, the 6 different type of modules that you can use to make money online. Now, I'm going to have the blank template here, which is the 20k extra template. We're going to have the 18 methods, which is basically for demonstration purposes only for this video, but it's basically 18 different methods that can allow you to make up to $20,000 per month. And then we've got some other.
Now just a quick disclaimer, when you hear Kevin say methods, he is saying methods because he is from Ireland. I am guessing, being a New Zealander, guessing he's Irish, so therefore they have a different accent and a different way of saying words.
Templates here that we will play around with, and I'll just explain the different modules. Now, I'm using the number $20,000 per month. I think it's a respectable number for anyone to generate online. Obviously, everyone's income goal is different. Some people just starting off might want to use this to make the first $20,000 this year. Some people might want to make an extra $20,000 per week. It does not matter. The calculations and the formula, the mentality behind it, the strategy behind it, everything works the exact same way once.
Alright, so that was just a quick sneak peek into what Kevin will show you, the 6 modules or the 6 types of models that you can use to make that extra 20k. As I said, this is a very logical and very applicable method, and Kevin shows you that so well. And let's keep moving through the course. Alright, so here we are, just a sneak peek of Module 2, the worksheet example, where Kevin Flatter actually takes us through and peels back the curtain of his business and how he maximized different activities to make more or focus on those income generating activities. So alright, so this course with Kevin, he also takes you through how to manage your personal accounts. So not only does he show you how to build your 6-figure income from affiliate marketing, but he also ensures that you are balancing out your personal accounts and outgoings so that you can see in real time, in action, what your money is servicing for you and how it is coming in, how much is coming in and how much is going out, so that you can keep an eye on and track everything that you are doing. So this is how great the course is. With that being said, we're going to pop on through and I have something else to show you. Alright, so just a quick recap of the course, the 20k Extra Training course by Kevin Flatter. So this is what you will get fully in the course. Module 1, you have the introduction. You have Module 2, Part 1, the 6 modules or models. The worksheet example, getting your data. So how to look at your data. You'll get Part 4, Managing Personal Accounts, Module 2, Part 5, Personal Tips from Kevin. Going down again, Model 3, Affiliate Marketing Blueprint Training, Model 4, Production Creation Training Bonus. So those are additional courses that you will also receive in the 20k Extra Training course with Kevin Flatter. So that is the whole course right there, and it is super priced so well and so affordable. And if you are interested, the link is in the description below. Please check it out. It has been very insightful for me, and the quality is absolutely amazing for the price. And go down to the link, click that. You will also receive, when you click that link, you will receive a free training guide from me, Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. So head on down, that is a value of $45, and it will show you through how to actually affiliate market before you even get to the 20k Extra course. So that is a very helpful book. It is available now. Link is in description. Thank you so much for coming by and watching how to make 20k every month. It is your girl Anise signing off. Until next time, peace.